I was drawn to gather in community with other women who love plants, who are learning about healing and health. And now we're in our 12th year and there are 400 women here.
It's the sense of connection and community. When we share our wisdom together, we empower each other.
The community is very welcoming, they're very warm, they're very friendly. I love that everybody kind of just looks at each other and says, hi.
We try to bring in workshops that are everything from basic herbal preparations to cooking with herbs and plants to meditations in the woods.
There's like healing workshops and there's plant walks, identifying, foraging kind of things. I mean, there's something for everybody.
Every time I come, I grow my knowledge base, I grow my capacity to collaborate, to be in community. It's just nothing but love here.
I just hear these stories over and over how this changes women's lives. And to be able to contribute to that is humbling, and it's a great honor.